Today we're going to be talking about which system are you working. Let me explain. So typically within society there are two different groups of people. We've got the 95% group and we've got the 5% group on the other side. And it just generally represents populations of people when it comes to finance and business. So 95% of the population generally are employees and are generally small to medium business owners. The 5% group on the other side are people who are financially independent and people that are wealthy. Now there are some different correlations between these two, and there are three main differences. The first one I've already said is that most people in society are employees, whereas the other side have got systems and they're financially independent. The second thing is that we all take information from within our own group. So if you want to get some business advice or financial advice, most people within that 95% group will go to somebody within that group. They'll go to a high street, they'll go to somebody they know, and that's really interesting. And this is a little story I'm going to tell you about when I wanted to start Forex trading. I didn't know anything about Forex trading, didn't know anything about the stock market, but I knew that it was a good strategy to get over to this 5% group, because that's what they do. So I went to see friends, family, a few people that had done a bit of dabbling already, and I said, I'm interested in doing some Forex, what do you think? 95% group said, bit risky that. You know what I would do? I would go down to the bank, I would open up a nice tax-free ISA account, and your money's safe and you'll get a bit of a return, but keep it safe. And the thing is, the return on one of these ISA accounts is 0.04% per year. So work that one out. So what I did, I also took some information from the 5% group and people who already know who deal in Forex, and what they said was, a bit risky that, Forex, but let me show you what I did. See the difference? And what I did, I learned from people who were already succeeding on the 5% group, and as a result things are doing very well. So that's the difference, is that if you get the right information from the right people at the right time, then things can really change for you. The third thing really about these two groups is the systems that we use. So how do we, if we're an employee, how do we get more money if we're an employee? We have to work more, we have to work more overtime. If we're small business owners, how do we increase our business? And most business owners don't know about online marketing, and they just work 15, 16, 18, 20 hours a day trying to do everything. They're not leveraging the time. Whereas people in the 5% group, they leverage time, their efforts are independent of themselves, and they understand that business systems are responsible for wealth, for financial stability, and for financial independence. So my question is, which group are you currently in right now, and which one would you like to be part of? Would you like to work for the rest of your life for 50 years, or would you like to develop a system? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long for you. Hope you're getting some good value from this, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.